going on, guys? Hope everybody's having a great day. A little different today. We finally got mine going. Now it's time to work on JD. So the thing is, we keep doing trainees. It's trainee season, and that's what we're doing today. I'm kind of getting a late start. These guys already get started, got the trainee out without me. So let's see what they got.
Brandon, how would you feel? Let me paint you this picture.
Yeah, paint me a picture.
You already spent a lot of money on a transmission.
Yeah. Paint me a picture.
40,000 pounds, 9 o'clock at night, pulling Sandy out. Knowing you have a cracked case.
Well, it's not gonna be cracked if you hold it up.
Adequate.
But it's already been stressed.
Yeah, I get stressed out every day.
But when you get stressed out, I'm not going to get left on the side of the highway.
No.
You won't. You got friends.
You got friends.
I don't.
Let him shut his truck up.
I don't know.
Ooh. She tight.
Hey, buddy, you want to counterweight this thing for me?
No, I don't know. What's going to be the deciding factor if off the counter shaft in there, where that bearing sits in the case, that's cracked? Jesus. I might.
Well, that's a different story, but you're talking about one bell housing bolt on, you know, one.
Where it starts, dude, it's a gateway.
I wouldn't be afraid of it. I wouldn't be afraid of it.
You're saying that because you're two trainees in your pickup.
Yeah.
If you never would have took it out, you would never know it's cracked, right?
I had to take it out. There's a woodpecker in there.
Yeah.
More than one.
He got my woodpecker.
Yeah, you got rid of it and gave it to me.
I don't even
But
know.
you gave him
I'm sorry
three
about the light.
woodpeckers, dude.
Oh jeez.
Wow.
I'm sorry, buddy. I'm sorry. I forgot that was
Remember
on.
that light thing all over again? That's about how that was.
Wow, yeah, that does stuff. Look at that. Just a wiggles.
I mean, I'm not saying that's good. But, I mean, the crack could be in a worse place.
Could not be there, too.
It could not be there.
Oh, it's casting right.
I mean, if it was anywhere near where the gears and the bearings and stuff live.
I'd be almost happier with it there.
Really?
Yeah, honestly.
No, you don't want him to crack around a bearing.
No.
Want a souvenir? You didn't get any broken pieces out of your training?
I did. I got
Did
a
you?
pile of them.
Yeah, okay, good.
Which time?
The first time or the second time?
Second time.
Oh, okay.
Or when we had to redrain the oil because it had a leak in it. And then there was...
Because Super... Oh, I'm not allowed to say their name.
Ramses.
I don't know why
That's the
you're
question.
watching.
Make it
I don't know.
easier.
I'm slightly confused why you're recording us staring at the transmission. So,
Because
like good
it's
YouTube
content.
videos, you're
No.
supposed to get the good parts.
Have you
like the
seen how
juicy
great
moments.
YouTube channels progress? It's stupid things
He's
like
already
this.
famous, though.
Dude.
That's true. When I type in G56 stuff,
You
and
pop
it was looking,
up,
you
dude.
pop up in there
Yeah.
on videos.
I mean, I don't know why you're getting the porn stuff.
This is the good stuff, though. This is what everyone...
I don't think it is.
I think everybody's had this moment when they first got into a G56 or anything that they haven't been into before. You stare at it and think, what's about to happen here?
You can edit some of the bad words and things out, but if you made this video like 45 minutes long,
When you
of the
do
cluster of going
when
on,
you do
people
the
will
bad
watch
word
it.
stuff, can you put like duck noises in?
That's what I'm
I
saying.
can't. Oh.
Why can't you do that?
Let's start
you
doing
bleep
duck
it
noises.
out.
I'm going to start doing duck noises.
Yes.
I mean,
All right.
or squeaky noises.
No, we're
like
ducking. We're
bark,
ducking.
The
bark,
whole
bark.
video is going to be duck noises.
Quack.
Yeah,
Every
something
word.
every time.
I
Just
like the duck
put a duck
noise.
noise in.
I mean, not every time. Let's just still
The
try to
harsh
keep it to a
words.
minimum.
The harsh words.
So do we stand
Let's keep it to a
it?
minimum.
I'll try.
I think he's standing on its butt.
We stand it on its bootay. Oh, hey, that crack's pretty decent.
A few moments later.
Oh, that's good. Look at that.
Ooh.
I think some of the parties when the training came out.
Wait. No tinkies.
Nothing yet. Oh, boy.
Oh,
Oh.
We're stuck.
Oh.
This is where the table's getting us now.
hang on.
Oh,
no, it's
boy.
The picks. Can you go down?
No, that's it.
Kind of.
This is
Right there. Hang on. Give me like 7 seconds. Okay, we're good.
You gonna clear the ceiling?
Oh, yeah.
See? Look.
Dude.
Such a good place to do this, huh? Okay.
Beautiful.
So 2 teeth on 6,
2 teeth on 6 will get you a woodpecker.
which would explain
One
the woodpecker.
tooth, got a little noise, a little vibration.
And
2
this
teeth,
makes sense
woodpecker.
because you had one tooth gone, but then once one tooth is gone, it's that gear's gonna come around and just smack
That's
that
kinda
other
what
one
I
again,
figured.
and it's just gonna slowly.
6 was noisy, and then coming back, it got even louder.
Yeah, well, you're missing 2.
I had
No.
I had at least 2 more pulls on that thing.
What I don't know is, and that's what I'll have to figure out, is alignment on them, where they're happy at. Because, like,
My problem is
somewhere
second's
I'm
got
assuming-
a heck of a lip on it.
I'm assuming somewhere there's going to be a shim. Because some kind of a shim to line everything up.
Here's a synchro. Broken gear. Thrust washer. Burn. Burn. Ugly burn.
This is where we're at. So went through, we've been thinking about this for a while. Still not quite 100% sure what's going to happen. Okay, this case has a crack in the upper bell housing. Goes from there to about there. 6th gear. There you go. We're missing teeth right here. 2 teeth gone there. So there's a few different ways to go about this, and that's what we're trying to figure out now. We still need to go through, mic out the synchros and get everything figured out to really figure out what direction we're going to go. There's a few different options and combinations, but I digress. We're going to figure that out, and then as this goes on, you guys will know too. So all that to say, this is where we got tonight. They got the training out, stripped down. We kind of have an idea what we need to do, where we need to go. We need specs to mic out the synchros. We need, to figure out a couple more little details before we really jump at anything. But we'll get to that. So thank you guys for watching. Keep up, and we'll see you on the next one.